Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping network access immediately. First, confirm your carrier and account PIN so you can reverse changes later. Then toggle airplane mode and disable Wi-Fi calling to cut signal paths. Once done, power down and remove the SIM card. Storing it in a safe, powered-off location ensures the number is unreachable. Make sure to record the SIM ICSID and account info in case you need to restore service. This prevents accidental reconnection or remote provisioning from the carrier. Next, eliminate alternate contact routes. Log into your carrier portal and cancel call forwarding, visual voicemail, and any conditional routing. These can keep your number reachable even with no SIM. Once done, on the device set call blocking or auto reject for all numbers and remove the number from online profiles, two-factor authentication, and messaging apps so they can no longer route calls or messages. Also, unlink the number from cloud backups to avoid re-enabling services automatically later. Finally, contact your carrier and request temporary suspension or full deactivation of the line. That step makes the number unreachable on the provider side. Then test. Call the number from a separate phone and network to confirm no ring, voicemail, or SMS delivery. If the number is still reachable, check carrier provisioning, revoke any linked service tokens, and repeat disabling of forwarding. Troubleshooting tip: if calls still get through, ask the carrier to perform a network-level trace and confirm the line status to resolve residual routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.